We did back-to-back rides. Let's talk about this real fast. In the mornings when it's busy, it's okay to pick up another passenger while you're dropping somebody off, and that's how you understand the algorithm. Let me show you the details real fast. If you look over here, the first passenger down here at 7 in the morning was for $24. Notice, app is going crazy in the background. That means it's busy. We don't have to take any of this bullshit, right? Leave it in the container right now. If something pops up for 15, 20 bucks, take it. Otherwise, focus on your life, focus on your YouTube channel, focus on your blog, focus on your podcast, all right? Let it cry in the background. Now look, 7 o'clock in the morning, I picked up somebody for $25. It was supposed to be 45 minutes. The Uber driver app lied, right? Now for 1 hour and 15 minutes, shut up. Now for 1 hour and 15 minutes, I got paid, what, $3 more, right? But that is okay. Mistakes were made. And it was actually a brutal drive because I had to go from street to street, get off the freeway because the traffic was so bad. A lady got into an accident right in front of me. Another lady ran a stop sign, almost ran into me. Third lady, a Chinese lady, third one, tried to like sneak between two cars and I had to get out of the way. Meaning the mood and the energy is off a little bit. So be careful, my friends. But look, it's okay. 25 bucks, mistakes were made. This should have been a better ride. Normally in the morning, I got home late, right? If I didn't get home late last night, I would have gotten up earlier and I would have minimum made 30, 40, 50 bucks in the morning, but that's okay. This is why I did a back-to-back ride, right? Right when I dropped off this person, just like this, Uber was popping, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And I said, no, 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 no. But when I saw something for 16 bucks going towards Santa Monica, I said, fine, I'll take it because I want to end up in Santa Monica. It's closer to LAX and there's a potential somebody needs a ride from here towards LAX, right? Right now, it took me off the platform. It wanted to take my picture and prove that I'm the driver, right? Like, how do you not know? Like, how do you not know? The camera's here. You're monitoring everything we're doing, but yet you still want me to take a selfie to prove to you that I'm the one that's driving. They monitor everything, guys, remember. Okay, so right now the time is 9:25, right? This ride showed it was going to be for 30 minutes and ended up being 40 minutes, meaning we didn't get paid extra. But that's how I got 40 bucks so far, right? $40. But here's the secret. Look what happened. Yesterday, the dude that was farting in my car, guess what? He gave me a tip. If you look down here, $58. I put up with Vishal's farting in the car. I put up with his YouTube videos, right? So I've already made $56 today. Now, you know I'm moving today, so my goal is what? About 100 bucks, right? That means 56 is gas money. It's already covered. Now, anything I make after this, it's literally just for a little bit more for me because I have to move out of where I'm at by 11 o'clock. It's 9:30. I got to start heading back home. So now I have to make a decision, right? I did back-to-back. I made $41. I got a tip from yesterday. I'm at 56. My goal is to be at $100 today, not 150 because it's impossible right now. I have to move my trailer, right? So now let's study the map and figure out what I'm going to do. And if you notice my energy is a little high, it's early in the morning, baby. It's early in the morning. Okay. It's not looking good, and I don't know if I can wait till 11 o'clock because they need me to move out by 11. Sometimes I get a little sneaky, right? Instead of moving out by 11, I'll move out by 12. They'll call me, you're not out. I'll be like, oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't know. And oh my goodness, man, shut the hell up. Okay, so now I have to make a decision. Do I use destination mode to go home? I'm in Santa Monica. It's pretty busy, so let's try that. Let me use destination mode to go home. Where are you? Right? So let's see if I can pick somebody up. If not, I think I have no idea what I'm going to do, right? Because normally I can drive free. Right now I can't really drive free. One thing I'll do is I'll turn on the furry friends. I'll turn on pet. I'll turn on UberX. I'm not going to turn on deliveries. Everything else is on. Basically 5 out of the 6 options are on. It's towards my... Thank you for $4.40 towards my destination. Go to hell, right? Now what I'm going to do is, I know Santa Monica is busy and someone needs to go to work, right? I think I'm just going to drive a little bit and it's showing like $7.50. Oh my goodness. Shut up. I think I'm going to go this way and see if I can pick up somebody. Oh, here, let me draw here. I think I'm going to go this way and see if I can pick up somebody. If not, I'm just gonna cut across the rich neighborhood and start going home. I have a feeling I'll pick up somebody, because my theory is this: if let me zoom in. If they're not making money, the Uber driver app, you're not making money. If you're not making money, they're not making money. At some point, this app is gonna give up. Like, I know I have to go home. I have to go home. I have to move my trailer. Now, 48 miles means what? 50 miles means what? That's around $10 I need. So from now till I get home, if I can make $10, I will be happy, right? Let's go. Let's figure out what happens. And I'll keep you guys posted. Hey, if you like my energy and you want to know how my energy stays like this, let me know. I will tell you. I've been responding to every single comment, right? And this is, I mean, you know, by the end of the night, I get a little bit tired, right? After 18 hours of, hey, shut up. After 18 hours of driving, I get tired. I'm a human being. Or 16 hours, I get tired. But in the morning, look, I'm ready to go. I'm pumped up. I'm ready to pump you up, and I'm ready to smack this stupid app. All right. I will let you know when something reasonable pops up. You will know. But these $5-6 rides, no, guys, it's not worth me showing you and pulling over and you know, talking about it. No. By the way, I don't know if you want to hear this, but I didn't take a shower today because I got home late, and in the morning I ran out of water in my trailer. And by the time I went to the bathroom to take a shower, the community bathrooms were under maintenance. I don't know what somebody did, but unfortunately I didn't take a shower today. So I hope you don't mind. I hope you're not going to judge me. But every day I take a shower in the morning. Yeah, right now it's showing nothing but $5, $6. So this is why I say F the algorithm, right? This is how we're going to F the algorithm. I'm going to teach you guys how to beat it. If you look over here, there was a surge over here, right? On PCH or somewhere in that area where rich people live, right? Watch. When we get there, even though the surge is gone, we might get somebody. It's still barking, and it's unsafe for us to click. Luckily, I have a red light, right? Still barking. Now remember, let all the college kids take these $5 rides and $6 rides, and whoever's telling you, let them take the $5 rides. Let them, yeah, shut up. Let them take the $5 rides. Let them take the $6 rides, because look, anybody that's going to college right now is pretty dumb, right? You should, in this day and age, you should not have to go to college unless you're trying to be a doctor or you're trying to be a lawyer. Lawyer. My bad. Or an engineer. Like certain professions, you need to go to college, right? But anybody else that's going to college for like stupid stuff, they're driving Uber. Let them take these $5 rides. Think of it like this. Every passenger that needs a $5 ride or $10 ride, Uber's taking $10 from them, paying you as a driver $5. Passengers are still getting screwed, right? But what you want to do is you want to create a frustration for these passengers. Uber is slow. Uber never comes. Oh man, Uber sucks, right? Get them to go to Lyft. When they go to Lyft, they're going to have the same issues. Then they're going to go back to Uber. Then they're going to stop depending on this rideshare company, right? Then they're only going to use Uber. They're only going to use Lyft when they have to go drinking. I don't pick up any more drunk people, right? Stop picking up drunk people. You see a guest ride that comes, like it does, you can't see the person's radar, you can't see the blue symbol, don't pick it up. Like cancel if you see a guest passenger, unless it's paying you like 30-40 bucks. Don't pick up a guest ride anymore. Why? Because it's a medical ride, or it's a ride that like some psychopath is getting in your car, right? That's literally how they do it. And let me tell you what I mean by a psychopath. When you get a guest ride, it's a few reasons why you have it. Number one, someone's ordering a ride for somebody else, but it's not safe for you as a driver, because that person can come in your car, steal something, hurt you, and it's impossible to track it, right? There you go. There you go. Yep, you little bitch. Thank you. Remember, I told you I just need $11, right? Right now, I'm literally using destination mode to pick up my customer, right? In destination mode, it's popping, right? I'll take $11 because that's all I need for gas. After that, I'll take another $11. As long as you're taking me towards my house, I'll keep inching a little bit, right? Because my strategy has to change. And I know I was talking about guest rides. Remind me if I don't talk about it, because my whole theory is this: don't take guest rides anymore, because it's dangerous. It's dangerous for us. It's dangerous for us. And whatever is dangerous for the drivers, stop doing it, right? You don't take guest rides, you don't take $5 rides, you don't take $6 rides. What ends up happening? Passengers get frustrated, they're going to leave the platform. The platform's going to make less money. They make less money. Their CEO is going to get in trouble. He's going to get fired. Every single CEO of this company is going to get fired until they learn to respect their drivers. I'm going to make sure of that.